What's up, beauties?
It's Anaya.
And India.
And you're watching. No.
Oh. What was I about to say? Shaded people.
What's up, beauties? It's Anaya.
And India.
And you're watching
Nicely Polished.
So today, what we are going to be doing, a tomboy versus
girly try on haul. Yeah! This is for Shein. So we're gonna, tomboy versus girly try on haul, Shein. And despite our current outfits, I'm gonna be tomboy.
And I'm going to be girly girl.
So, and we're gonna be rating outfits too. And comment down below, who do you think win each round? Tomboy, girly girl. We want to hear y'all opinion. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so here's round one. It's cute! That's cute!
Thank you. Thank you.
I really like this skirt. Like this skirt a lot.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I like this skirt a lot. It's really cute.
I like that outfit.
It's
the
cute.
basic outfit is so cute.
Pants too. The pants have a little, some slits and
Some rips.
yeah, some rips.
It's like a cute little, like a pencil skirt, what do you call it?
Yeah, it is like a pencil skirt. Definitely. Okay, so the only thing I don't like is like it's tight right here. The fabric feels a little bit weird. Feels a little cheesy. And then the arms is really tight. Like it feels suffocating in my arms. But other than that, what do you rate my outfit?
Give it an 8.5.
8.5?
Yeah.
Okay, that's pretty high.
I give it an 8.5.
That's pretty high.
So, like with this outfit, the only thing I don't like is how see-through, like the shirt is, because it's so thin. Like it's very see-through, and I just feel like I should be able to wear any type of bra I want. But yeah, so
Okay.
that's the only thing.
Okay. Now I give the skirt a 9. The shirt I give about a 7.
This came together actually.
It came together.
It's supposed to be together.
Yeah. But I like the shirt more. I mean the skirt like the skirt really draws my attention.
Yeah, it gives style.
Alright, well let's go into outfit number 2.
Okay, so this is outfit number 2.
Yeah.
I guess we both want.
We both decided to go for black, right?
Black and white.
Oh, this is cute. This would be a cute picture. So I like it. I like this fit. I do like both fits. Now this is very similar to the first one. They're very similar. Pencil skirt.
But this one is a little bit looser.
Yeah.
It's not as tight fit, and the material is totally different. This is much softer.
Yeah.
It's much softer.
And what is that thing? The shirt, baby. And I just did the camo pants. I will say the pants are a little thin, like they are a little cheesy. You know, you feel they look cheesy.
No.
They do feel a little. Oops, sorry, a little cheesy. We'll be honest. And then just a plain black shirt. Let's do a little spin. So I'm gonna give this I think it's a 9.5. It's almost reaching a 10.
Yeah, it's really cute. I like
I
that.
think it's 9.5, 10.
Yeah.
It's simple, like it's not doing too much. It's not
At all.
You know, pretty cute camera. So yeah, if you like camera, I think this is
See, I think this, I wear like, if I wear like, this, I'm wearing it, I'm going all out with accessories because it's so basic. So I'll be going all out with like some necklaces, like a cute little bag, some bathing shoes.
it's like a little cute, like a pink bag.
Yeah, that's it.
I think they're really cute. So, what you rating it?
So like, just by itself, I give it like an 8.5.
Okay. Yeah, I was gonna say 7.5. Yeah, 8. I say 8.
So like, if it would have like the accessories and stuff, I would definitely give it a 10.
I think it's cute. I think the skirt, I'm not a huge fan of the pattern of the skirt.
Yeah.
But I thought that pockets at first. Okay.
You don't?
No.
Oh.
That would have made us
it's
10. But I'm not a huge fan of the pattern of the skirt, but I do think it looks cute like together.
Right.
It almost look like school clothes.
No, that's all I for it.
Alright, well let's go into round number 3. You ready?
Yeah. Okay.
Has slits. Okay.
I set the stomach in for this one, you know.
Suck it. Squeeze your gut.
Do it again. Put this side.
I don't like the sleeves. First of all, they look uneven. Like one is higher. This is higher than the other.
Right.
That I don't like. It's supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be low and then it's supposed to be high. I don't like that. It makes my arms look long.
I got a tan right now, guys. I don't mind that.
So, all right, okay. So, I don't know how I feel about this fit.
It's cute. Not bad at all.
That's cute. How did? So, what do you break this with?
Still a
An 8? That's pretty high. I was expecting a 7. So, I'll take it.
So this one is just like a one piece. The only thing I don't like about this is like if you take it off, it looks so like the shape. Like it's just so stupid. Like, but other than that, like you have to have a no show bra, which I can't wear because they're horrible on me. But other than that, I like it. It's basic. It's really pretty. Something different for sure.
Mm-hmm.
So I give this about like a 9.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna say 8.5.
Something like that because
It's good.
because it makes my butt look good, you know.
That's cute. Period. Okay. Alright, so it's cute.
Yes.
To be honest, I think I won the majority.
Of course you
Round.
think you did.
I think I won.
Of course you think you did.
I feel as though that I know that I won.
We should let the people
Make
decide.
that make sense. But
We should let the people decide.
so comment down below who you guys, which round? Do round by round. Round 1, round 2, 3. I want to hear your guys' opinion, and we also want you guys to tell us more ideas of what to do. Those videos idea.
Yeah.
So make sure you guys comment down below.
Oh, sorry. Like, comment, subscribe.
And until next time.
Peace.
Is it